Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a while, so well above average. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the $4.90 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $4.90, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to somehow stay up above $4.90, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above 490, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, let's talk about where some of the sellers are at. As it stands right now, next key group of sellers seems to be right up there around $5.25. So $5.25 will be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. Anyway, look at it though. Huge movement today. Great way to start the week. And the week is young, still plenty of time to play out. So yeah, let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.